Hi everyone, this is Priyanshu and we are going to talk about Telangana State Board Social Studies, our chapter Independence India in the first 13 years 1947 to 1977. Okay, so we are gonna see that all the important and repeating question of Telangana Board examination. Okay, so let's see here. So this is the notes and the question start from here, multiple choice question. Okay, so first of all we will see the MCQ. There is no more MCQ, 10, it is till 9 or 10 MCQ will be there. So let's look one by one. Okay, so these are the MCQ you can see. Okay, so if this over, then you will see here, this is a very short answer question. What is the problem faced by election commission in the first general election? This is an important question they can ask you. Write a brief note of India foreign policy. This is also important. How can we say that the single party dominate India politician in first 13 years of independence? This is okay. Explain the social and economical. Actually here it is wrong, socio it is given, so here it have to be social. Okay, social and economical changes that during the first 13 years of independence of India. What is the situation of emergency period? This is very important and this is a topic where we can discuss. Okay, write the role of Nehru Gandhi to bring socio. Okay, actually this is socio, I think it is given socio, it is right also. Was economical changes in our country. Jawaharlal Nehru is a brilliant person. He take the IIT, okay, AIMS and space agency in our country. Brilliant person he was. Okay, so actually in this chapter this is still here only, that much the important question which is most repeated question, and there is a 90% chances it can question will be repeat again. Okay, so practice this question very well and we will meet the next video. And if you have any doubt, then leave a comment, and if you are looking for other subjects playlist, so definitely go to our channel, click on the playlist and you will find there. Okay, so let's meet on the next video. Jai Hind.